Hi YouTubers, this is part 2 of the Breathing Hearts electronic project, and the wooden box or enclosure has had 2 coats of varnish, and it's going to get a final assembly now. And this is, I put 2 brass tacks or pins into the wood, one for the positive connection and one for the negative connection. It doesn't need any insulation other than the wood because it's only 5 volt of low current. The circuit boards are held in with double-sided sticky tape, and I've managed to split this perspex sheet, it might be acrylic sheet, into 2 pieces, and it is clear, and I'll show you that. It is clear, but what I've done, I've actually found some see-through paper, plastic I should say, I'll just show you that, which is this stuff, and it diffuses the light and gives it a more of a glow than being intense LED. And what I've got to do is find some matching screws to put in it. I normally put black screws, but I haven't got any the right size, so I'm just finding screws I've had left over from other projects and using that. So you've got a positive and negative from that one and that one and that one. They're all joined together on the brass pins, and then I've got a USB plug cable connected, and I'm just going to put this top on and I'll show what it looks like. Now you can see what it looks like with this perspex material. You can see the insides. Now this just takes the edge off of it, makes it more blurred, and then when this goes on the top you can see it less conspicuous, all the electronic components, and it gives it a slightly better light. There we have it assembled. And we'll plug it in over here. I'll plug it into a phone charger. Now each one of these breathing hearts has a control. You control how fast it goes, from light to dark, and also you can adjust the brightness of each of these with the same control. It's just a matter of finding what I call the sweet spot area. There's no on-off switch on it, just plug it in and away it goes. And I've got one of these in the van, but it's got 4. And I think it's 2 reds and 2 blues. Yeah, it just takes the edge off the LEDs, this plastic. So I'm quite chuffed about that. So I'm going to have to find some cable and start work on the second one. Yeah, I didn't quite get the plastic on the front correct, but these are homemade, they're made, they're not mass produced or anything. Jane's just interrupted me as we've got the drill out, and she was dusting and she knocked this over and the screw came out, so I had to re-drill it. Made a bit of mess on the carpet, but yeah, she'd done this a while ago. There's a fisherman, a hiking man and a gardener, and screwed on a scrap bit of wood. checking there's no woodworm in it, which there isn't. It's come up alright, that has. Okay, now it's time to put the boards in, and I start with the ones that are furthest away from these two. I don't know if you see it, but I talked about these metal pins I put in. Flat so you can see what I'm referring to. Okay. And then I'll run red and black to there, red and black to there, red and black to there. I normally do the end ones first. So that can be a blue one in there. I'll solder that in and get that attached. Now once I've soldered the first one in, the first thing I do is test it before I put these double-sided pads in. Right, let's switch on. Okay, so that one works. So now I can put these double-sided adhesive sticky pads things in. It's like a tape. And they look like this, and then you just peel the backing off and stick them onto the wood. 2 down, 1 more to do. And there we have it, 2 Hearts electronic kits. And there we have it, the Hearts fully completed. Yay, look at that. Quite chuffed with that. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.